Hello everybody and welcome back to RainBro Crafts. My name is Colton and today Zac will be showing you how we make our Butch Queen soap, but the fan favorites edition. This was a returning scent from our June Pride collection, but we had to make it a little bit different and a little bit better. So stay tuned and see how we made this Butch Queen soap.
Alright, let's get this Butch Queen soap making started. Just like all of our other soap makings, we will start out by blending our lye water and our plant-based oils together till they come to a light trace. And then we will be straining in our colloidal oatmeal and our water. The water offsets what the kaolin clay, which is in our fragrance oil, takes out of the soap bars so you don't crack the tops of your soap. If that happens, it just is a cosmetic thing. It doesn't look as nice, and it doesn't maybe let the soap feel as luxurious as this way. At least that's what we have found. We will then add our custom fragrance blend. This is lavender essential oil and then hickory and suede fragrance oil from Brambleberry. Like all of the soaps for the month of December, this was a fan favorite, but this wasn't one that was a surprise hit like the ginger patchouli or the whiskey business from last week's videos. This one sold out very quickly. We did do a slight redesign on the design of the soap, mainly because the original design, and I'll put a picture somewhere on the screen here, was a little bit of a pain to do, and there was a lot of soap waste. Another thing we changed is we did put walnut shells in this soap to give it a little exfoliating texture where the original bar didn't have that. This was kind of a combination of Pleather Daddy, which we did have also in June, and Butch Queen. So Pleather Daddy had scrubbies in it. It's the base fragrance for this, and then this has lavender essential oil added to give it a little floral extra. And then for the design, I was inspired by, it was a very weird inspiration, a jacket that one of the hosts of Unsellable Houses was wearing in an episode I saw that was dark gray and bright pink. It was like a rain jacket because they're based up in up north in Washington, and it like stuck in my head, so I'll try and find a picture and put that on the screen as well. But that was the inspiration for this design. I wanted it to be a very like stark difference between the base color and the other color, whatever the other color ended up being, and the previous design was like purpley blues and then dark black. So this is, I believe this is Interstellar mica from Mad Micas for the base here. So it's a dark gray with some gold kind of flecks. So it's kind of like that Ultra Sparkle mica from Brambleberry, just with gold flecks in it, but then a dark gray base. So you should be able to see that dark or the gold sparkle in there. We'll scrape out this container because we're done with it. We're not going to do anything else with that soap base. And then we will do a drop swirl of this hot pink colored soap base. This uses a neon pink mica from Nurture Soap or Nature's Garden. I never can remember which one. But then we added in some amaranth mica as well to give it a little additional sparkle and to tone it down just a tad, even though this is still like violently pink. Again, we will scrape out the container because we're not gonna do anything more with this. We want to get out all of the soap base and make cleanup the next day as easy as possible. We do set all of our dishes in bus tubs and then let them sit for a day so the soap curing process can finish, and then we wash our dishes. This way we don't get any kind of gross oily buildup in our plumbing, which would be not a fun experience. For the top design here, we wanted the bright pink and the dark gray to kind of speak for themselves. So Zac's just running our trusty chopstick here around kind of to do little like swizzly zigzag designs. But that is the soap there. We'll clean up the edges. We'll let this sit for 24 hours and then it is time to slice up. And we can finally see what the inside will look like with that dark gray and that bright pink design. I'm very happy with this. It's exactly what I had in mind and drew very rudimentary on my Procreate that I used to design our soap. If I can insert a picture somewhere on the screen, I'll do that as well so you can see what the inspiration versus reality was. And then we'll break out Dorothy and we can see those awesome pink drop swirls and what they look like. And that is exactly what we were going for. That color contrast is really striking. It kind of embodies the fragrance oil as well and the spirit of Butch Queen soap. So we'll just slice up all of these bars here and you'll notice that there's more loaves than what was previously on the screen, and that's because Zac's just slicing up all 60 bars of soap instead of the 30 that we normally would film. This table's very skinny and it's not very long, so there's not a ton of working room. That's the only reason we do that. And if you want to get this soap, it is available December 1st online or in person, so definitely check this out because it will sell out really quickly. We do have an online store and a calendar of events where you can find us in person, so check that out on our website. And a big shout out to all of our foamy homies and our suddy buddies. They get soaps of the month from us, discount code, and other fun perks. If you're interested in becoming one of them, check out our website for more details. We appreciate each and every one of them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring the bell icon because all of that helps the channel. Bye.